Cybersecurity for 2020. Cybersecurity today. To the world of computer technology, government, police and intelligence units, cybercrime is emerging a serious threat. Cybersecurity techniques developed to safeguard information systems stored on computers. Potential threats which include the destruction of computer software and computer hardware and the loss, modification, theft, unauthorized use, observation or disclosure of computer data. Cybersecurity restricted to describing the criminal activity in which the computer or network is a part of crime as fraud, blackmail, and theft. Cybersecurity protect from theft, corruption or natural disaster while allowing the information and property remain accessible. It helps to understand the cybersecurity strategy, cyber ecosystem and science of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity deals with securing the future, securing for tomorrow's world. Many companies spend millions of their dollars on firewalls and secure access devices, and it's money wasted because none of these measures address the weakest link in the security chain. 5 stages of business cybersecurity. Identity. AM, asset management. B, business environment. GV, governance. RA, risk assessment. RM, risk management strategy. 2, project. AC, access control. AT, awareness training. DS, data security. IP, information protection process and procedures. 3, detect. A, anomalies and events. CM, security continuous monitoring. DP, detection processes. 4, respond. RP, response planning. CO, communications. And analysis. MI, mitigation. IM, improvements. 5, recover. RP, recovery planning. IM, improvements. CO, communications. Cybersecurity process. Assess equals analyze assets and controls. Evaluate equals understand GDPR maturity based on current program. Build equals develop roadmap to fill the gaps. Execute equals take action with strategic GOPR readiness roadmap. This process repeat again and again. Process for secure from cybersecurity. Awareness equals a lot of hacks happen because staff is not aware of the risks. Encourage SMEs to educate more in terms of cybersecurity. Strong passwords equals with strong password it is one step closer to being secured from breaches or hacks. Updates equals updating is one crucial part of being safe. For example, a lot of websites get hacked through plugins that are out of date and vulnerable. Backups equals having duplicate copies of your information saved in a remote location keeps it safe in case anything goes wrong with your computer or website. Firewall equals use the protective measures, which can protect you even if you cannot react in time. Real challenges of cybersecurity. The World Economic Forum again rated cyber attacks in top 5 risks to society. 46% of all companies were affected. 36% of all consumers globally lost data. 11% more was spent on cybersecurity this year. Generations of attacks and protections. First generation, late 1980s. Attack equals virus, PC attacks, standalone. Protection equals the antivirus. Second generations, mid-1990s. Attack equals networks, attacks from the internet. Protections equals the firewall. Third generations, early 2000s. Attack equals applications, exploiting vulnerabilities in applications. Protections equals intrusion prevention, IPS. Fourth generations, 2010. Attack equals payload, polymorphic content. Protections equals behavioral analysis. Top IT security salaries. Lead software security engineer, $233,333. Chief Security Officer, $225,000. Global Information Security Director, $200,000. Chief Information Security Officer, $192,500. Director of Security, $178,333. For more information, please visit our website, https://www.saaninfo.com.